sneakerheads, and tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the future of footwear design with a sneaker that is literally pushing boundaries, both in innovation and sustainability. Get ready, because this is the 3D printed Adidas ClimaCOOL sneaker, a model that blends two of Adidas' most groundbreaking technologies into one sleek, futuristic package. Before we get into the details, let's take a moment to admire these stunning shots of the sneaker up close. Now, let's break down why this shoe is truly a leap forward in sneaker design. First, let's talk about the technology behind this sneaker. Adidas has been leading the way with its Futurecraft initiative, which focuses on sustainable design and cutting-edge manufacturing processes. The ClimaCOOL 3D printed sneaker is a perfect example of where the brand is heading in the future. By using 3D printing, Adidas has created a one-piece silhouette that eliminates wasteful production methods, offering a more eco-friendly approach to sneaker manufacturing. But that's not all. This shoe also incorporates ClimaCOOL technology, which has long been synonymous with breathability and comfort. Imagine walking in a shoe that keeps your feet cool while also providing a fit that feels almost custom-made, thanks to the precision of 3D printing. This combination of comfort and sustainability is something we've never quite seen before from Adidas. Now, let's talk about the design itself. The 3D printed structure gives the shoe a chunky, futuristic look, reminiscent of other models like the Adidas Infinity. But make no mistake, this is a completely new beast. The seamless, all-over construction is visually striking, yet functional, making it one of the most advanced designs to date. Imagine stepping into 2025, but you get to do it today. So, you might be wondering, when can you get your hands on these? According to leaks from Sneaker Insiders, this Adidas ClimaCOOL is set to drop sometime in summer 2025, although we're still waiting for an official name. But here's the kicker, this shoe was revealed in an unmarked box, so we're dealing with a mystery sneaker that could very well redefine Adidas lineup for years to come. Here's where I want to know from you, what do you think about 3D printed sneakers? Do you see this becoming a standard in the industry? Or is it just a futuristic experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I'm really curious to see what the sneaker community thinks about this one. Thanks for sticking around, guys! This is just the beginning of where footwear is heading. 3D printing, sustainable materials, and innovative design are no longer ideas for the future, they're happening right now, and Adidas is leading the charge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates on this sneaker or other groundbreaking releases. I'll see you in the next video, where we continue to explore the latest and greatest in sneaker tech. Stay fresh, stay futuristic.